Hi, my name is Lukasz, and today I wanted to showcase ControlAI's AI safety and compliance management platform. What we have built is a tool for end-to-end security posture and regulation management that allows you to easily determine what regulations are applicable to your AI solutions and how to test them and how to protect against emerging threats. If you are worried about the impact AI Bill of Rights or the EU AI Act can have on your business, we are here to break those complex norms into actionable requirements and empower you to implement them in practice, suggesting what changes to make in your stack and what third-party AI safety tools can help with the challenges you are facing. The core of the platform is the dashboard. Here you see a visualization of the current state of your AI stack in the form of multiple widgets analyzing your current performance. What you're seeing currently is the final stage of the setup, but if you're feeling lost, we have a set of suggested actions visible in the middle that help you to get started on the platform and reach this stage. If you are all set, you can switch from this actions list to our curated list of newest developments in the AI safety world that could have an impact on your operations in the tab to the right. If you are keen to make use of our upgraded paid account instead, you can speed up the process by utilizing the advanced features in the tab on the right. The first one allows you to automatically link our solution to your serving platform and import models from where you currently serve them. Whether you are currently hosting your models on AWS, Azure, or GCP, we have something that fits your needs. Our custom integrations allow you to quickly generate the relevant objects within our platform from your model serving metadata. If you do not have a sizable AI deployment yet and are still exploring available options, we recommend you to try our GPT agent. Here, you can input your queries in natural language and get suggestions on what kind of defenses and regulations are applicable to your specific use case. If instead of having your inventory be only a part of our platform, you would like to export it in the form of a report for your ESG strategy reporting or for regulators to access, you can easily do so by clicking the Generate Report button on the next card. If you'd rather take control of each object in the platform individually, look to the sidebar on the left and click on any of the items there. This way, you can navigate to tables with each of the object types and inspect the current status of your stack. Let's say your company is deploying a new customer-facing chatbot integrated with ChatGPT, and you want to make sure it is compliant with the EU AI Act and protected against hallucinations. You would start from the models table, where you can find the inventory of models currently used in your organization. By clicking on the Add Model button, you can input the name and description of your model. In order to link it with specific regulations, click on the Regulations button on the sidebar to the left. In the Regulations tab, you can view both your custom-defined regulations and our verified regulations that provide a template for you to become familiar with the cornerstone regulations. Let's focus on the EU AI Act. We can easily move it to our organization inventory by clicking the Import button. Once the regulation is imported, we gain access to a list of specific testable points that are linked to this regulation. In the case of the EU AI Act, this includes compute monitoring, reporting on the evaluations and testing, and warning users about interacting with machine-generated content. In order to create a curated list of those requirements you can later track, head to Test Points and click on some of those with the EU AI Act badge next to them to import them into your inventory. You can import all of them or select a subset you want to track. As you progress through your AI compliance journey, you can edit those requirements and show that you satisfy them by clicking the Edit button next to them. If any of those criteria do not feel relevant to you anymore, just click on the Delete button to stop tracking them. Staying compliant is important, but so is tracking your protections against emerging cybersecurity threats and inherent AI vulnerabilities. Because of this, we now head to the Risks page to see what dangers we can anticipate. Whether it's plain hallucinations, competitors reverse engineering our model, or user data leakage, it is important to anticipate these issues before they occur. Like with other objects, we can either define those ourselves or use the curated list. Since we are dealing with a chatbot, We will track hallucination and model inversion as the key issues we want to focus on. Once we have identified the risks we are interested in, we can move to the defenses page to understand what can be done about them. By inspecting the directory of verified defenses on the right-hand side of the screen, we can identify the relevant issues and choose Model Scan and ControlAI's own LLM firewall as the defenses of choice we will use to protect against the identified threats. Through this, we have created a comprehensive inventory of our models and applicable risks. When new regulations emerge or risks are discovered, it will be easy for us to access the inventory and have up-to-date reporting on the current state of our AI landscape. At ControlAI, we believe that AI safety and compliance should not be abstract concepts, but something practical and accessible. We empower you to deploy your product safely and progress smoothly through your compliance journey. Head to app.controlai.org to start using the platform now and discover all the features we have to offer.